आज हम करेंगे डिस्कस मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ ए सबस्टेंस. Molecular mass of a substance, just like atomic mass, is a relative mass. That means the mass of the molecule is determined with respect to some standard substance. The standard substance we know is carbon 12. Carbon 12 atom. इसका जो एटॉमिक मास असाइन किया गया है दैट इज 12 AMU. 1 AMU we know that 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12th mass of carbon. 1 by 12th mass of carbon. So molecular mass can be defined, molecular mass of a substance can be defined as the average relative mass of its molecule as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon. So we can write here molecular mass is equal to mass of the molecule of the substance. Substance में हो सकता है एलिमेंट्री भी हो सकता है या कंपाउंड हो सकता है, डिवाइडेड बाय 1 by 12th mass of carbon. यहां पर जो हम कार्बन दैट इज कार्बन 12 आइसोटोप लेते हैं, सो 1 by 12th mass of carbon. सो इस तरह हम निकाल सकते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर मास. जनरली हम कैसे निकालते हैं? जनरली हम निकालते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर मास is obtained by, generally molecular mass is obtained by adding the atomic masses of all the elements present in the molecule of a compound, in the molecule of a substance. Let me repeat it again. Generally, molecular mass is obtained by adding the atomic mass of all the elements present in a molecule of the compound. For example, if I take here molecule of water, here 3 atoms are present, 2 hydrogen atoms plus 1 oxygen atom. So इसका हम लिखेंगे एटॉमिक मास. हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास है 1.008 AMU प्लस ऑक्सीजन का है 16 AMU. सो इनका हम करेंगे ऐड, करेंगे इनका एटॉमिक मास करेंगे ऐड, सो विल गेट, इट विल बिकम 2 it is 16 1 0 2 16. सो ये बनेगा 18.016. सो 18.016 is the molecular mass of water. That means a molecule of water is 18.016 times heavier than 1/12th mass of carbon. 1/12th mass of carbon. Again, a molecule of water is 18.016 times heavier than 1/12th mass of carbon. Exactly, we can find, we will take one more example. This is carbon dioxide. So it is made up of one carbon, it is made up of 2 elements, carbon and oxygen. So here 1 carbon plus 2 oxygen atoms are present. So the atomic mass of carbon is approximately, we will take, that is 12 plus 2 into oxygen is 16. So we get 12 plus 2 into 16 हो गया 32, that is 44 AMU. That means the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. So we have obtained this molecular mass by adding the atomic mass of all the elements present in this molecule of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide molecule is 44 times heavier than 1/1/12th mass of carbon. So इस तरह हम निकाल सकते हैं molecular mass. ऐसे हम निकाल सकते हैं. So then we have gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. What is gram molecular mass? Gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass may be defined as the quantity of the substance. Quantity of the substance whose mass in grams is numerically equal to its molecular mass. That means gram molecular mass may be defined as the quantity of the substance whose mass in grams is equal to its molecular mass. That means in short ऐसे भी हम बोल सकते हैं, when molecular mass is expressed in grams, that becomes gram molecular mass. For example, if I take water, approximately हम मानते हैं water का molecular mass है 18 AMU. अगर मैं ले लूंगा 18 grams, यानी I will express this molecular mass in grams. So it will become 18 gram. So this 18 gram is gram molecular mass. ये gram molecular mass है. इसी तरह अगर मैं ले लूंगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इसका एटॉमिक मास है, इसका molecular mass है 44 AMU. So अगर मैं ले लूंगा 44 grams, यानी I will express this 44 molecular mass in grams. So I will get 44 grams. This will become gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide. This gram molecular mass is also known as gram molecule. It is also known as gram molecule. इसको हम बोलते हैं gram molecule भी. And if I have to find the number of gram molecules in a given mass of the substance, so how can I find? The formula for that is number of gram molecules is equal to mass of the substance divided by gram molecular mass. ये formula है. If we have to find number of gram molecules in the given mass of the substance, so how can we find? So number of gram molecules होता है बराबर mass of the substance divided by gram molecular mass. For example, if we have 88 grams of carbon dioxide, हमें बोलना कि इसमें कितने ग्राम molecules हैं. So हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? So number of gram molecules, so mass of the substance हमें 88 है, divided by gram molecular mass होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का 44 grams. ये cancel, so I'll get 2. So this is number of gram molecules number 2 के बराबर है. So this was about gram molecular mass. Now we have one more thing, that is formula mass. Formula mass हम कब करते हैं use? Formula mass. Formula mass. We have some substances like ionic substances like NaCl, KCl, etc. These substances do not contain discrete molecules. ये substances contain नहीं करते discrete molecules as their constant units. इनमें separate molecules नहीं होते as their constant units. ये क्या करते हैं? In such compounds, cations and anions, यानी positive charged ions and negative charged ions, यानी cations and anions are arranged in a 3D structure. इनमें ये अलग अलग होते हैं arranged cations and anions in a 3D structure. So we in cases में हम क्या करते हैं we use molecular formula mass instead of molecular mass. So for calculating molecular mass, formula mass, we take the help of the formula. For example, NaCl. This is the formula of NaCl. So we take the help of this formula to calculate the formula mass. So it is made up of Na plus Cl. So Na का यहाँ पर है 23 plus 35.5. So we'll get 58.5 AMU. This 58.5 AMU is the formula mass of this NaCl. The NaCl का formula mass है because we have used the formula NaCl. हमने सिर्फ formula use किया NaCl to calculate the mass. Therefore, this is known as formula mass. इसको हम बोलते हैं formula mass. So this is 58.5 AMU, or यू भी हम करते हैं कभी यूज, दिस इज कॉल्ड यूनिफाइड स्केल और यूनिफाइड मास. So this 58.5 is the formula mass of NaCl. इस तरह हम कर सकते हैं आयनिक कंपाउंड्स का, हम कर सकते हैं उस केस में हम कर सकते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर मास के बदले फार्मूला मास कैलकुलेट. सो दिस वाज अबाउट मॉलिक्यूलर मास, ग्रे मॉलिक्यूलर मास एंड फार्मूला मास. होप that you got it.